Self-discipline.
Discipline. Yeah. How often have you heard that? Probably a little too often. Discipline is unquestionably important, yes, but it's secondary to the number one quality that I believe every creator and entrepreneur must have: a love for the process. I've noticed a lot of talk about burnout in my self-development research. For people who love the process and care deeply about their work, burnout is bullcrap. Think of it this way. How much discipline is required to play video games? And do you burn out from playing video games every single day? Probably not. I know when I was a kid, I could play every single day no problem. And I bet that plenty of people in their 20s still do that. Wait. You're comparing video games to work. How are they even similar? If you're asking this question, you don't understand what it means to love the process. Assuming you like playing video games, of course. Here's how I see it. For a lot of people, they would rather play than work. But for people who love the process, our work is our play. People see certain creators working every single day, thinking, man, they're so serious. Why don't they ever stop working and relax? These people simply don't get it. Why would we want to stop doing activities we love doing? I never wanted to put down the game as a kid. Why would I want to put it down now? Gary Vaynerchuk says, I believe a purebred entrepreneur suffocates in the notion of doing anything but running their own business. It's a different way of thinking that only people who truly love the process can understand. It doesn't mean there won't be pain and losses. It doesn't mean you're not going to feel like crap sometimes. That's part of the process, and you gotta learn to love it. If you love or care about your work deeply, you have the ability to embrace this mindset. And once you embrace this mindset, you'll realize that the world is your playground, and you get to play every single day. I made this quick video because my friends and family see that I'm working on something every single day, so they tell me that I should learn to relax. I honestly believe that for some reason, I don't understand what they mean by relax. I feel really good when I'm doing something meaningful, and I feel like crap whenever I'm just sitting around doing nothing. If you understand what I mean, comment below to let me know what your experience has been. I'd also like to hear what you guys personally think is the number one quality that an entrepreneur should have. I hope this video helps open a new mindset. If it does, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.